Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a UTR number online with Hmrc. Your UTR number means Unique Taxpayer Reference. You usually get this when you register for self-assessment or when you set up a limited company. It's a 10-digit number and sometimes it's just called a tax reference. After you register, Hmrc usually sends it by post within 15 days. Where to find your personal UTR number? If you're looking for your personal UTR, the easiest place to check is your personal tax account or the Hmrc app. In the Hmrc app, open the app, go to your main account, then go into self-assessment. Your UTR number should be listed there, and you can copy it. If you can't access the app or your online account, you can also check old Hmrc letters or previous tax returns, because your UTR is often printed on those. And if you still can't find it anywhere, the best option is to contact Hmrc directly and ask for your personal UTR. Now, if you need a UTR for a limited company, this is your corporation tax UTR. You can request a copy online and Hmrc will send it by post to business address registered with company's house. When you open the service, choose the option to ask for a copy of your corporation tax UTR, select start, then fill in your company details. After that, Hmrc will post the UTR to your registered business address. So that's the simple way to find your UTR number, whether it's for you personally or for a limited company. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.